All right, welcome to the most boring, tedious part of this entire project. Hi, Lucy. So, we went and got 16-foot 2x6s, pressure treated, so that we can repair the sunken floor. So that you can see right there just how much this floor has collapsed. So, level over here, it's level at that end, and everything in the middle is just a bowl. All right. I didn't want to film it. You didn't want to see it. Well, my father-in-law came over again. So we got all the plywood. You can see there's a little gap here. It's the way the building is built, it's about 1.5 inches. That there would have been a gap at the edge. I didn't want to do that, so since there was a beam right here, we just left that, and we'll rip some pieces down on the table saw and fill that in. It's all going to be under foam mats, stack of them over there. So I mean, you'll never see it. I am going to go through and silicone all these gaps just so bugs and pests, and that is plenty big enough gap for things to come up through. I don't want things in here. I want people in here and maybe some pets. But the flooring is done.